In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to open Theme Store app and look for a perfect theme for you. To do that, select Home or Category and tap on Themes section at the top. You can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you wish. After finding a perfect theme, click on it. And last but not least, choose Apply button. Then wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always do that by accessing Theme Store again, but this time clicking on Me over here at the bottom right corner. This way you can access My Resources and tap on Apply under any default theme. Then wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!